In this video, we're going to be resolving forces into components. What this allows us to do is analyze forces acting on angles by breaking them into simpler horizontal and vertical parts. The problem reads, a crane cable exerts a force of 240 newtons on a crate at an angle of 40 degrees below the positive horizontal. Determine the horizontal and vertical components of this force. I'm going to start by labelling the horizontal component as Fx and the vertical component as Fy. A diagram for this will have a force arrow of 240 newtons pointing at 40 degrees below the horizontal. So the horizontal component we can call Fx, and that goes along the horizontal direction. And we have a vertical component Fy, and that goes straight down. This gives us a right angle triangle, and that means we can use trigonometry to find each component. The horizontal component is adjacent to an angle of 40 degrees, and we have the hypotenuse, which is 240 degrees. So we can use cosine. So I'm going to write Fx equals force times cos theta. This gives us 240 times cos 40, which is 240 times 0.766, and that equals 183.8 newtons. So we get the horizontal component as 184 newtons to the right to three significant figures. The last part is to find the vertical component, which is Fy. The vertical component is opposite to our angle, so when we have the opposite side and the hypotenuse, we can use sine. So I'm going to write Fy equals force times sine theta. This equals 240 times sine 40. So Fy equals 240 times 0.643, which equals 154.3 newtons. Because the force was acting below the horizontal, the vertical component points downwards, so to three significant figures, the vertical component is 154 newtons downwards.